Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer for MDF1, term 1304, and this is my Project 1 reflection video, review video I guess. So let's go. What did I do for my project? I created a Super Mario Brothers or Super Mario's World table view, and it lists all different Mario characters from the Super Mario Brothers franchise. Did that for my son because he loves Mario and all the Mario characters. So I did that. What was the other question? Go through a short overview of your code. So in my code I have the main view controller. I created a table view. I have an edit button. I created some mutable arrays. Let's go over to, so I have all the different Mario characters that I picked. I picked 20 of them, and then I did an array for all the images, and I listed what type, if they're good or bad guys. And then I just did quotes I got from MarioMayhem.com. It's just different quotes, that random quotes that I picked and stuff. So I did this. This is gonna count all the items in my array and then return all the list items, which is the Mario characters. I have a IB action for my edit button, which it has a tag, so when you click on it, it switches it to become a done button when it brings up the delete, and then when you hit done, it switches it back to say delete, so then I'll call the delete. And then I also I have my delete style, and this actually removes the delete mode that removes the index from the row. And this is where I created my custom cell to populate the image, the name of the character, if they're good or bad, and then their image. And then in my second, I created a second view controller that gives the details. So I have an image, their name, if they're good or bad, and then I will display the quotes. So let's go ahead and run the app. Oh, and there's my launch image. And here's my app, but here, so you can see, there's my icon, Mario. So here's my label, Mario's World. I have my edit button, so you see when you click on it, you can do done, and it pulls up the delete, and that switches over to delete. You can click on the guy, so it has just a bigger image. Mario, he's a good guy. And here's a quote, "It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario." And you can return, you can click on Yoshi. There's a Yoshi quote. Click on Donkey Kong. Gorillas don't talk, so he doesn't really have a quote. Professor Eglad, one of my son's favorite characters from Luigi's Mansions. There's a Koopa Trooper. King Boo. So it has all the different characters, and then it just gives more details, or not more details, just their image, the name of the character, good or bad, and then the quote. So and then you can delete items. If I want to delete Bowser, Jr., you can delete lots of items, and you're done. And you can just go back, Shy Guy, Hammer Brother, Koopa Trooper, Luigi. So that's my app. This week was a little challenging. What I could have done better was maybe get some more sleep so I wouldn't make as many mistakes, and I've had to go over my code and just fix mistakes. My wife just had a baby, so we got a newborn in the house, and being at the hospital, and then finally being home now, I haven't gotten a lot of sleep. And then we have to go to doctor's appointments and stuff, so I haven't had a lot of sleep, and I haven't had a lot of time to work on to make this better. And then what also on my custom view, this only appears when I click on it. So then it just, so I don't know, it shows the image and then the labels that I put, but for some reason I couldn't figure out why this is not just displaying in my custom, when I created the custom table cell. But it should just have this for all of them, all the different names and what type there are. So that's something that I could have done better. And then for some reason when I click on the 20th item, which is Bowser, the app crashes. And it says, it's giving me an error that I forget it's not in the index, I think. So those are kind of things that I could have done better, fix those issues. But other than that, that's my week 1 project, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next week.